Hello there, welcome back to our channel once again. Wondershare Recoverit is a data recovery tool to help you save your lost data from losing them forever. Today we have brought another exciting video and our focus will be your PC's hard drive. It's an indispensable part of your PC system that safely stores all your data. But is that really true? Not all the time. If your hard drive is corrupted due to bad sectors or a virus attack, the data loss can happen in an instant. If you want to fix hard drive failure and maintain the safety of your data, then I recommend you keep watching this video. Before we take you any further, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on notification. Now, let's get into the video. Are you getting a hard drive not found message after turning on your computer? If yes, then I suggest that you perform a hard reset or you check for physical damage. This can help you get rid of that problem. Solution number 1, perform a hard reset. One of the simplest ways to solve your HDD drive problem is by performing a hard reset on your computer. You'll first have to turn off the system and remove the power cord and battery. Try to disconnect all your peripheral devices such as your mouse, your keyboard, anything that's connected to your computer. Then press and hold your power button for 15 seconds, and after waiting for a while, you may connect both your power cord and your battery once again to your computer. Solution number 2, check for physical damage. If and only if you know how to disassemble your PC, take out your hard drive and check for its connection. In case there's a problem, then visit a professional as it will need soldering and proper assembling of the entire system. Getting this error means that either the hard drive on computer is fully corrupted or the volume of your disk is not functioning properly. In such cases, the users can get an hexadecimal code arising from an internal or external drive problem. Most probably it happens due to an expected shutdown or a bad sector. Solution number 1, check system errors. Malfunctioning of the hard drive can be resolved by using an automatic system check.
To perform this, you can just right-click on its icon and go to Properties. Now click on Tools and move to the Error Checking section. Here, you have to click on the check button to initiate system error checking.
Solution number 2, reconnect the external device. Using an external drive or any other storage device can also result in the hard drive PC 8x80071AC3 error. To fix it, you'll need to remove your external drive and put your system off. Now restart your PC and connect your HDD drive again to check if it went away or not. You must be knowing that the hard drive stores your operating system and your firmware. If your system is failing to boot, it's a sign of corrupted partitions, a change in BIOS settings, or the loss of essential files. Solution number 1, restore BIOS settings.
Turn on the computer and press the BIOS key using F10, F12, F2, delete or escape. After the BIOS windows opens up, press the F9 key to restore the default settings. Now exit and restart your system.
Solution number 2, perform an advanced startup. You can run an advanced startup too with the help of a bootable media or Windows installer.
First of all, go to Settings, then Recovery, then Advanced Setup, and click the Restart Now button. And thereafter, connect the Windows CD, DVD, or a bootable media to the system.
No matter the quality of your hard disk, it can corrupt out of a corrupted sector or due to the installation of malware-loaded programs. One way to sort out this issue is by running a hard drive diagnostic test. You simply have to restart the system and hit the F2 button. And if this doesn't remove the hard issue, then you can try recovering your data using Wondershare Recoverit.
Solution: use Recoverit Data Recovery. Wondershare Recoverit is a robust and user-friendly data recovery software that aids in retrieving data from internal hard drive disks and external storage devices. Trusted by billions around the world, this tool can extract data from crashed computers and even repair corrupted files. Steps to use Wondershare Recoverit. Step 1. Select a location. Download and install the program from the official website. To recover the data, you first have to pick the location where you lost the data, then run the program and click on hard drives and locations. Now choose the hard disk drives tab in the quick access tab and hit the start button. Step 2. Scan the location. The program will start the scanning process automatically, which will take time to complete depending on the file sizes. You will keep getting the scanning results on the interface so you can pinpoint files or stop scanning whenever you wish. For deep scanning, you can also click on Advanced Video Recovery. Step 3. Preview and recover files. Recoverit allows the user to preview files before saving. Select the file you want to preview and hit the preview button to continue. Thereafter, you can click on the recover button and choose a desired path to save the files.
This kind of error only shows up when you connect an external hard drive to your system. All the stored data on your hard drive will become inaccessible. Most probably, there could be some incompatible file system or physical damage behind this error. Solution number 1, check USB port and drive. You should check the USB port, drive and cable to ensure that they are in proper condition. So clean the port and then reconnect your hard drive. Solution number 2, format the disk. When nothing works out, formatting the drive is the only hope.
Go to My Computer and right-click on the hard drive icon. Click on the Format option and choose a compatible file system. At the end, click on the Start button to remove the existing data on the drive.
By keeping a lot of unnecessary files on your hard drive in computer will lead to storage issues. This can also affect your system performance. Solution number 1, deleting unwanted content.
Open your hard drive and look for the unwanted files. Start deleting them and make sure to clear them from the recycle bin as well.
Solution number 2, uninstall unimportant applications. Just like your phone, uninstalling unnecessary applications or programs is another way to reduce the burden on your hard drive PC.
To do so, open the control panel and go to Programs and then Programs and Features. For the latest Windows versions, open Applications under Settings and simply remove the program using the Uninstall button.
In this video, we tried to cover 7 common hard drive PC problems and their solutions to ensure the safety and accessibility of your digital data. Remember that regular backups and being proactive can reduce that data loss. Start keeping your important files on the cloud as they can be accessed at any time without any hassle. Thanks a lot for taking your time and watching this video, and we truly hope that you got what you were looking for. Do share your views down in the comments and feel free to ask questions, whether your hard drive has been fixed or not. We'll see you guys in our next video.